Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, April 21st, 2010. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 18 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 1204.75, had a very small 3-tick gap. Quickly filled that. I'm not going to show any gap results because them being so small. For a narrow gap like this, it's just really not worth you putting on the risk to take the reward of such a small gap. But nonetheless, we had a high probability gap, filled right away. The market continued higher, and it wasn't till just after the 10 o'clock news we actually got a signal to get short. That produced targets 1. Did not get the follow through to the downside we were looking for right away until after we were stopped out of that position. Now, I will tell you, in our room today, we talked about the initial part of the session being the range, and there was an opportunity to get in much higher and stay in this trade. But for our trading plan video, we're going to show this as a T1 -2 stop out. We got a little switch up here, got a second signal to get short. And that second signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 ticks as we started trading lower into our daily pivot. Found a little bit of support at the pivot, bounced up off that, got a signal to get long right after the 10:45 confirmation time there, and that signal did produce targets 1. Again, no follow through on that initial trade, stopped out to the downside for 2 ticks, and again, same thing with this support down here at the pivot. There was an opportunity for you to take this trade to the upside down here based off of some of the edge trading techniques we do in the room, but again, does not apply for our daily video here. So as the market continued to trade lower down towards that pivot for a retest once again, we got a bounce up to our moving average, signal to get short, and that signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside as we picked up 9 additional ticks and went down and actually touched our Globex low. The market continued to sell off, and there was some opportunities as we traded back down towards near our previous day's low there in lunchtime. But between 11:30 and 1:15, I know this is redundant, but we do not initiate any new trades. We just let the market do its thing. And at 1:50 we start 1:15 that is, we just start looking for trades once again. And our initial signal, a T1 -2 stop out, as we did not get the follow through, but then the market reset itself, gave us another opportunity, and we did get an extension T2 target hit for a total of 6 ticks on that extension entry to the downside. So there were some bigger patterns in play here. There were some things we were looking at for in the room. We hit some key levels, some key setups, and there was an opportunity to do quite well today. And for signal trade purposes, we're going to call it 6 trades for 18 ES ticks. But like I said, I think there was many more opportunities for our trading room members to do beyond that. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com or simply click on the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.